Hey Sammy fam, it is breakfast for dinner time, so we are having, can you tell from what's kind of laid out here? No? Yes? We are having kind of egg McMuffin style thing here. Go ahead and get our egg on top of our Black Forest ham and American cheese. But we're gonna do a spicy egg McMuffin, and I made just fried eggs, not like the kind of puck that they use. It's fun to make the little like egg pucks sometimes, but it's a little bit of a pain. And I like how messy this gets. It's fun. And we also have Tater Tots with ketchup and Kewpie mayo. Delicious. And we have a nice IPA because it's dinner time. Breakfast for dinner. Refreshing and relaxing. Alright guys, let's dig into this. Some assembly required. This might be messy. Guys, I really like it this way. I like it with the egg this way. I made the yolk just creamy, but not like soft and runny. So sorry it's not super messy, but it's super tasty and it's like a little sauce in your mouth. And I love it. Like that fatty yolk is still coating my mouth as I eat my tater tots. A little sip of beer, couple bites, nice potatoes, ketchup with the vinegariness. That vinegariness is important, so important. And a little bit of sweetness, you know? I know I've said bad things about ketchup in the past, but the little bit of sweetness can be nice. And then, just our friend mayo, which is a vinegary mayo. A lot of vinegariness happening over here, but it cuts through the fat of the yolk and the cheese. And of course, our friend Black Forest ham, which maybe I should have put 2 on. Maybe I should have doubled up on the ham, but that's okay. It's still delicious. And don't overlook just the regular old Thomas brand English muffin. Not sponsored by Thomas, but they're a dear friend. Had them all my life, and I always love them. As long as it's not the whole grain Thomas. I don't want no whole grain. Not that there's anything wrong with diversity. I'm not pro-white or white only. But when it comes to English muffins, I prefer the white ones. There's not a good way to say it. I just keep digging myself a hole I can't get out of. Drink more, that's the solution. It's not the solution, kids. Don't fall into that trap. You know the real solution to your problem, kids? Compulsive cardio. I walked 17 miles today, and I still feel like I want to do more. Feels good. Feels good. You know what I'm about to do? Yeah, we got to do a dip. Do a dip. Do a dip. Do a dip. Oh yes, and that's good. Do a dip again. You know what? Spiciness of hot sauce really does help these too. McDonald's gonna start putting hot sauce on these. See, look here, you can see what I'm talking about with the yolk. Not super runny, but kind of runny. That's what I want. Just, you can squeeze it out a little bit. It's delicious. You know what helps us a little bit? You don't have to do this. This adds a lot of extra fat, but I did throw some bacon fat in the pan and crisp this up a little bit, the muffin, and I cooked the egg and the Black Forest ham in the same fat. Just a little extra flavor there. Well, I am quite full and very sweaty, and admittedly at this point, just a little bit sick of the sweetness of ketchup. I can only tolerate so much, but while it lasted, it was good. It was good. Breakfast for dinner, y'all. It's one of my favorite things. Thank you for joining me. Please drink responsibly and have some wonderful meals. Bye.